Okay, just take a deep breath with me. Feels simple, right? But what if I told you the system behind that one breath is one of your body's biggest unsung heroes? We're about to uncover its hidden superpowers, and believe me, it's doing so much more than just, well, breathing.
So seriously, think about it, right now. Beyond the obvious in and out, what other critical jobs is that system handling for you? We totally take its complexity for granted, so let's fix that.
So here's our game plan. We're going to see how this system is so much more than a breathing machine. We'll look at it as a guardian, a super precise regulator, and even as a key communicator for your entire body.
All right, let's dive right in. And we have to start with the one thing we all learned back in science class, the absolute foundation of what your respiratory system is all about.
Right. So this is the function everyone knows, gas exchange. It's the big one. Deep down inside your lungs, you've got these tiny little air sacs. They're called alveoli, and this is where the magic happens. Your body makes this crucial swap. It grabs the oxygen your cells are screaming for and boots out the carbon dioxide waste. It's so elegant, so simple, but wow, is it vital.
Okay, but here's where things get really interesting. See, with every single breath, you're not just inhaling air, you're inhaling the world. And your respiratory system, it's standing guard, like a vigilant bouncer at the door. And it's not just a simple gate, it's a whole high-tech filtration plant. First, your nose gets the air just right. Perfect temperature, perfect humidity. Then, you've got mucus that acts like sticky flypaper, trapping all the gunk. From there, this amazing microscopic escalator made of tiny hairs is constantly sweeping that stuff up and out. And for anything that sneaks past, you've got immune cells patrolling your lungs, ready to neutralize any intruders.
And on top of all that, you have this built-in security system that you never even have to think about. Your nasal hairs, they're blocking the big particles. A cough isn't just a cough, it's a powerful explosion to eject anything that irritates your lungs. A sneeze does the exact same thing for your nose. These reflexes are on duty 24/7, keeping you safe.
All right, now let's get into how this system is secretly the master regulator of your body's internal environment. It's not just about getting air in and out, it's about maintaining this perfect, delicate balance.
Check out that number. That incredibly narrow range is the pH your blood has to stay in for you to, live. And guess what? Your lungs are one of the main things keeping it right there in that sweet spot. How? It's all about controlling the level of carbon dioxide, which is acidic, in your blood. And your body adjusts this on the fly, instantly. If your blood gets a little too acidic, you just automatically start breathing faster to blow off more CO2. If it's not acidic enough, your breathing slows down. It is a constant, subconscious dance to keep your body's chemistry in perfect harmony.
But wait, it doesn't just stop at pH balance, not even close. I mean, look at this. Your lungs are also helping to control your body temperature. They literally release heat every time you breathe out. They also act as a kind of blood reservoir, which is amazing, right? They can handle extra blood volume when your heart is really going for it. But this last one, metabolic functions, this is a game changer. Your lungs are actually activating substances that regulate your blood pressure. Think about that. They're not just bags of air. They're a chemical processing plant, a command center for your entire circulatory system. It's incredible.
Okay, so beyond all that internal regulation, your respiratory system is also how you connect with the world around you. It's this hidden communicator that shapes how we sense things and how we express ourselves. Have you ever really thought about this? Every word you say, every laugh, every song, it all starts as just a column of air pushed out of your lungs. That air passes over your vocal cords, makes them vibrate, and that vibration becomes your voice. No breath, no sound. It's that simple.
And what about your sense of smell? Yeah, that's 100% dependent on your respiratory system too. You have to physically pull air into your nose for those special receptors to pick up on all the different smells in the world, from fresh-baked cookies to something dangerous like smoke.
And your breath doesn't just communicate to the outside world. It communicates what's going on inside you. It's a major exit route for all sorts of volatile stuff from your blood. I mean, that's exactly why a breathalyzer test works for alcohol, and it's also why certain diseases can actually be detected by the smell of a person's breath. So when you start stacking all of this up, the breather, the protector, the regulator, the communicator, you get a whole new appreciation for what's really going on with every breath you take.
So here's the bottom line. Your respiratory system is one of the true unsung heroes of your body. It is a masterful multitasker, silently and perfectly juggling a dozen different jobs at once, all of which are absolutely essential to keeping you alive and thriving.
And this quote just nails it, doesn't it?
gas exchange, pH balance, making your voice, fighting off germs. This system is no one-trick pony. It's a whole symphony of crucial functions happening all at once, every single second of your life.
It really makes you wonder, right? If the system we use for something as simple as breathing is this ridiculously complex and amazing, what other parts of us are we totally taking for granted? What other incredible feats are our bodies quietly performing right under our noses?